Speak, listen, hub.
Do you understand English but still think in your language first? That's why speaking feels slow. In this video, I'll show you how to think in English faster and stop translating in your head. Stay to the end. I'll share one easy daily trick that helps your brain use English naturally.
Hey, you ever try to think in English?
Oh, yeah, sometimes. But my brain always says no in my first language.
I get that. My brain likes lazy mode, too.
How do you even start thinking in English?
Small stuff first, like naming things around you.
So, like chair, table, coffee.
Exactly. Say it in English in your head.
Huh, my cat is cat. That's easy.
Right. And do it often. Your brain will start feeling English.
Feeling English. That's funny.
Yeah, brains can feel languages, like muscles.
So I need a brain workout.
Totally. Think in English, not just translate.
But I translate all the time.
Try this trick. Use English in short thoughts.
Like, I am hungry?
Yes. Or, I want coffee instead of your first language.
My brain says coffee louder than English sometimes.
That's normal. Keep practicing.
How long until my brain listens?
Days for small stuff, months for big thoughts.
Months? That's scary.
Nah, it's like planting a tree. Patience.
Okay, little English seeds. What about talking to people?
Perfect. Speak English, even small sentences.
I feel shy though.
Everyone feels shy. I do.
Really? You?
Yeah. I once said, I like eating beach instead of beach food.
Oh no! That's funny.
Mistakes are gold. Teach you.
So, mistakes are good?
Always. Each mistake grows your brain.
I like gold mistakes.
Keep them shining. Another tip. Think in English before sleep.
Before sleep? Really?
Yeah. Your brain practices while you dream.
I dream in English sometimes. Weird.
Weird equals progress.
My dream last night, I was flying with pancakes.
Flying pancakes. Very English creativity.
I like it.
So before bed, say simple English thoughts.
Like, I am happy. I am learning English.
Perfect. Positive and English.
Sweet dreams in English. I like that. What about reading? Books, articles? Scary.
Start simple. Comics, menus, signs.
Menus? Really?
Yeah, chicken salad is English practice.
I see. Even food is English learning.
Everything is English. Your world is English world.
My fridge? English?
Yes, labels, magnets, English everywhere.
Okay, my fridge is now teacher.
And your cat can help too. Cat is sleeping.
He's very smart then.
Smartest English teacher ever. Listen to. English is sound.
Podcasts, movies, music.
All of them. Even YouTube.
But I don't understand all words.
That's fine. Catch small words first.
Like hello, yes, coffee.
Perfect. Then add new words slowly.
Slowly, like a turtle learning English.
Smart turtle beats fast rabbit.
I am turtle now.
Turtle with style.
I like my turtle brain.
What about thinking fast in English?
Fast comes with practice, not pressure.
So, relax and think slow first.
Yes, slow thinking is strong thinking.
Slow equals strong. I like that phrase.
Repeat it in English often. Brain loves rhythm.
Brain loves rhythm. Okay.
Music helps too. Sing simple English songs.
Even if I sound bad?
Bad singing equals more brain training.
I love bad English songs then.
Let's start a band. The English Turtles.
Our hit song, I Am Slow But Strong.
Nice. And right too. Tiny notes.
Like diary?
Yes. Short sentences. Today I drink tea.
That's easy and cute. And English sticks when you write. My handwriting equals English workout.
Exactly. Your hand learns too.
My hand is brain helper now.
Body plus brain equals English power.
I feel powerful already.
English power mode activated.
Can I think in English all day?
Start small. Morning. English thoughts.
Morning coffee first, then English.
Yes. Say aloud. I drink coffee. I am ready.
My cat watches me.
Cat is your English audience.
Audience, one cat. Not bad.
One is enough. Grow later.
Okay, one cat audience? I feel famous.
Famous English thinker.
Next step, fame worldwide?
Global English superstar. Don't be afraid of thinking weird things.
Weird things?
Brain likes strange thoughts. English loves it.
Like, I fly with pancakes again?
Exactly. Creative thinking equals fast English.
Strange thoughts are English fuel.
Feed your brain fun ideas.
Okay, I will think English dreams tonight.
And write them in English tomorrow.
Dream plus write equals
Brain happiness.
Brain happy equals learning fast.
I love a happy brain. Sometimes words disappear from my mind.
Happens to all. Pause, breathe, try again.
Pause and breathe. Sounds calm.
English is calm, not stress.
Stress kills English?
Little stress is okay. Panic equals no English.
So, chill English?
Perfect phrase. Chill English all the way.
Chill English sounds like lifestyle.
Exactly. English lifestyle, not exam mode.
I like English lifestyle already.
Me too. Fun tip. Label things in your room.
Label everything?
Yes! Chair, door, table, pillow.
My pillow is now teacher.
And your bed too. I sleep. I dream English.
Sleep plus dream equals English magic.
Brain loves magic practice.
I feel magic brain power already.
That's your English superpower.
Superpower unlocked.
Use it daily.
Okay, boss.
What about talking to myself in English?
Best idea ever. Self-talk equals secret practice.
People look at me funny, though.
Who cares? They are not your brain.
Brain is the boss.
Exactly. Brain boss mode activated.
I talk to Brain Boss now.
Your brain is proud.
Brain proud equals me proud.
Pride is progress.
I like this brain game.
Game on. Remember, consistency beats intensity.
Daily small steps. Better than big rush.
Yes, English is marathon, not sprint.
Marathon. With pancakes?
Yes, flying pancakes optional.
I love optional pancakes.
Brain loves happy English too.
Happy brain plus pancakes equals perfect combo.
Keep it daily. One step, one word, one smile.
Step by step, English grows.
And brain stays strong.
I like my English brain. I feel different. My brain thinks English more.
That's amazing. Your practice works.
I even dream in English tonight.
Dreaming equals brain jackpot.
Brain jackpot. I like that phrase.
Use it often. English grows with fun words.
Fun words plus small steps equals magic.
And don't forget mistakes. They are gold.
Gold mistakes forever.
We are English explorers.
Best adventure ever. With pancakes.
Pancakes forever!
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.